we want to look at today. This is what we want to look at. It's very simple, straightforward. You can see the shape very nice. Just instead of having single, just straightforward the skirt, just put a little design on it. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, normally if you don't know how to cut your simple straight skirt, please you can check my video. I have such skirt there. Okay, so I don't want to waste our time. That's why I put on this skirt. This is, I've cut the back panel. This is the back panel, and this is the front panel that we'll be working upon. Okay, so we can put our back panel aside like this. We can put it aside because we are going to work on this. Okay, and so what I did is I made this back panel to be a bit longer than the front. This is the front panel, sorry. I made it a bit longer because of the pleatings that are there. Okay, you know the pleatings are taking space. And then, so what do? Let me get the center of the length of the skirt is 26, and I have the hip 40, the waist 34. Okay, so this is the upper side. Okay, with the pleating and everything. Let me notch the middle of the skirts. Okay, so that I can get where the middle is. Then where my darts ought to be. Okay, for the darts of the skirt, though I won't be putting darts in it, but I want to come in by 5. Okay, for the darts. Okay, so this where that is supposed to be. So that's where I'm going to cut. I'm going to cut this down. So let me measure it. This place is straight. It will be easier to get the measurement from that place. Okay, so I have about 5.5 in like this. 5.5 in. 5.5 in. It's always why I made it longer. It's always better. You have the allowance there, excess allowance. Paraventure, it won't shrink, and then you can reduce. You can always reduce than joining. If you are here to subscribe, what are you waiting for? Do subscribe. Okay, so I'm going to cut this side off. I open it, and I cut it off because that's where my pleatings are going to stay. Okay, it's beautiful. So let's not forget it. This is part of the, so that's where the work comes now. Our pleatings come here like this. The pleatings you are going to put, you can put as many as you want. Okay, you can make your pleating big, you can make it small. If you look at the video, it was just about 5 pleatings. You can do as you want. So you can go on and on like that. So you are going to do the justice by ironing it later. So I haven't pleated it like that. You know, remember I said I deliberately put extra so that all these pleatings will not disturb the size. Okay, so by the time you iron it, I will do that and show us. Okay, so I will have to use a band to straighten this to take this one. I will use a band to join the two of them. You can see now that it's already shorter than what I cut from it. That's why there should be extra pleatings to meet up with your normal size. The normal size I needed is 26. So by the time I measure it now, I will make sure that it's 26. Can you see? 26. So your pleating must be within the what you are measuring. Okay. With the sewing allowance, I will leave this place as 22, 24. So the the length of the skirt is 26. So I've cut 1.5 wideness and the length of the skirt. So I'll be using this one to join, to put that pleating in the middle before I join the small piece I cut. You cut a small piece from here. So I will put this one to join it, iron this one. I'm going to sew it like this, use it to join. Then I will now press it on it like this. Do we get it? That is, after I've ironed this, I will iron this, right? Let's take it one by one. Okay, I will iron this one. Then I will fold this two. I will use it. I will run stitch over it like this. I will use it to join this one. So I will now spread it on it. Let me go and do it. I'll come back. I'll show us. Iron it, press it, and then use this one to join it front. So you can see the stripe here. You can make your own stripe wider as you like it. If you like, you can use different color, anything you like. Okay, one longer. We're still going to put a little ironing. So you place the back panel on it. It still needs ironing. Then you pin it. All I need is 28. So you measure it. So I have 20. I have 30 here. So because of the taping, I'm just going to reduce it. I think it's exactly this one. So I'll be stitching it now and then come back to show us how it looks like. I'm still here to iron it. So by the time you put iron, the pleatings will come out very well. Thanks so much for staying. Do your own and let me see it. See